The wind was pretty strong and kind of cracked my frame, so I had to throw these back up real quick. But this is what we're running on. I got 4 100-watt panels. I think they're Rich Solar Amazon specials. I've been using them for a couple years. They're actually pretty decent. Pretty decent. 4 of these together, I'm getting like in the beating hot sun. It's like 26, 27 maybe amps. So not horrible. Got Starlink Gen 4. Which, the only complaint I have, you lay it on the ground, it works great, awesome. Don't run over it. No one can see it. And just put this in yesterday. Just in case, charging everything up today. 4250 starting, 35 running watt. Not too bad, a little noisy, but not really. It's on eco mode right now, so it's all you need in life.